I'm a soldier, in very short words, okay? I was there in the army for more than 3 decades. I was a corporate employed for last 1.5 decades. And now I've chosen to be a farmer. And frankly speaking, when I was told that I should come and talk to you, I said, yeah, पहले मैं ground पे जाके I want to see the project, how the project is doing. And about 2 days ago, I went to the project. I'm so happy. I mean, it's come up so nice. You got the best of the contractors and the consultants over there, जो हैं, the people who really matter in the market, जो हैं, those people are there. I really love. I want to talk to you because I want to basically speak from my heart. You know, Whiteland. When I invested in Whiteland about 2 years ago, it was not basically I invested the quality which was assuring you have Whiteland that we will do this for you, okay? And today I'm so happy that I made the decision. You've been able to give more than what you have promised at that time. It's a beautiful location. What you've chosen today is the hotspot, and you were probably among the first builders and promoters who came in that area. I was looking for a low rise. You gave me a low rise. I was looking for something, and you gave me one apartment per floor and all. What else you want, जो है? That you even give me a part of जो है, क्या बोलते हैं, the basement also जो है, basement भी तुम्हारा है, ऊपर से छत भी दे दिया अपने part जो है. The beautiful thing. What else you want? Yeah, you can have a barbecue in the evening and go back and sleep, and maybe you can run a small office over there in the basement. Amazing thing, and best part was the value for money you gave me. A goodness should be, should always be shared with maximum people. Okay. I understand in marketing, basically, if you sell the product once, then many times what people have, they go get back. But in case of Whiteland upon, there's so much of warmth and so much of goodness, जो है, both at every professionally and otherwise also, जो है. You've been always maintaining a touch base with the customer. I'm a customer. I'm sure you're doing the same thing with 1,000 more. I really appreciate that. And if you're so good, you're developing the product more than the promise. What else? Why shouldn't I tell the people who I know that yes, you must put your stamp in the Whiteland?